Hello my Fabe, welcome to MaiMoments, the best channel for makeup and hair tutorial and also products preview. Today I'm going to share with you how to create this graphic liner for Monolid. You usually see this very trendy for 2020, especially in a music video and K-pop. So stay tuned and I'll show you step by step. For eye primer, I'm going to use this Morphe Eyelid primer. I feel that this is going to be very similar to Urban Decay eye primer potions, and for a factor of a price, it does a great job, and I felt that the quality is the same. So it's alternative if you do not have that kind of money to purchase Urban Decay. Today I'm going to use this palette right here. This was sent to me by yes.com and the brand is Neogen. I love the color range in here, especially if you are going to go in a day-to-day look, very natural look. This is really your go-to, so I'm going to link the information below. And by the way, it's great to pair with our such beautiful and pop eyeliners, and so this is going to be a graphic eyeliner. The first colors I'm going to select is Cinnamon Soft, and by the way, I'm using Morphe 441, and I'm going to tap out the access before entering into my lid, and I'm just starting from the end and toward the top. What I like to do is actually build the colors versus pack too much colors and regret later on. Generally, this palette is very blendable and I enjoy the soft textures of the matte colors. It's really hard to achieve an American brand where the matte color is soft, so I love this eyeshadows very much. I'm not a fan of their metallic colors in this palette, but I really enjoy those matte colors. And the leftover, what I like to do is extend it out toward the front so I can create those fake crease line. And what I like to do toward the end is actually creating a V shape and connecting toward the end of my eyes. That's going to give me a cat eye effect and elongate my eye so it can be the illusion of being bigger. So for Monolid, we have to really fake the shapes. But if for the people that already have hooded eye or a double line lid, then go ahead and concentrate above the line because definitely you want the color to show. So don't just go under your line. That's not going to give you those beautiful, elegant effect. So go ahead and target it above the line. So I imagine that my line is going to be here. As you can see, I go ahead and draw above the line and concentrate in that area, blend it out a lot of time because we are casting a shadows. So pick up the lightest colors of the package and using a Morphe M433 and blend it out on top and under your eyebrows. This is going to give the effect of lifted of your eyes and also giving a bigger eye illusion. Next, I'm going to pick up this metallic colors right here and I'm going to add in the inner corner of my eyes. This also helps to make the illusions of a bigger eyes and more like a doll eye effect. I'm going to use this flat liner brush and dip in the colors that I used before. And lastly, we are adding some colors on our under our eyes. This is very critical because it's going to help you complete the look. So I'm super excited to try this liner right here. I think I bought it for like $1 or $2 from AliExpress. I would definitely link the information below if you want to purchase it. This will be my first time trying it, so let's see if it works. So after testing out these 3 products, I can tell you that this purple or lavender colors is much more pigment than the yellow or the white. But in order to achieve this, just go ahead and trace it again. Wait a minute. When it's dry, trace it again. It will show up the true colors. First off, I'm going to draw at the end of my eyes, elongate like a cat eye. Next, start from the middle of your pupil and draw a line to connect at the end of the other line. After I already create a great outline, I'm going to fill in those colors in the empty spot. So after drawing a couple strokes, I can tell that this color is not very pigmented, so I'm going to do an Asian way, like nail salon. Whenever the color is not even, I'm just going to give it a little tap. There we go. There we go. Learned this from my mom. Oh yeah. Let's see if it's better. Next, we are going to draw a stroke to connect from the inner corner of my eyes and gradually toward the end. I would say this is the hardest part, so gradually draw a little stroke to shape out the eyes that you are desire. Since this eyeliner is not that pigment, I have to really trace over and over again. Whew, that was scary. Okay, so whenever you are drawing this and you want precise and sleek stroke, man, don't breathe because it's serious. My heart was pounding. Like, don't mess up, don't mess up. You're almost finished. So I want to add more dramatic and Egyptian style to my eyes. So what I'm going to do is starting from the inner corner of my eye, drawing like a eagle claws. And I'm also going to add some colors at the end of my eyelashes, just the middle, don't go all the way toward the inner corner. This is my favorite lashes currently because I love how it adds some dimension, it's 3D, and it's have different kind of layer which going to create those real lashes instead of all straight because our lashes is not like that first of all. Next, add some mascara to merge your false eyelashes and your real eyelashes so people will not know. Another tip that I'm going to share with you, instead of using a makeup remover like this contains oil. So what it does is going to shift your makeup around. Also, it's harder for you to apply new products or even eyeshadows on top of your skin. So what I use instead is toners and essence. What this helps is that it's going to be productive. It's going to act like a makeup remover and also even healthier for your skin. I really enjoyed this Physicians bronzers. This is a drugstore, but it's so high quality that I love the smell, the finish, and also the colors because it does not make me look muddy. Some of bronzer, it look like I'm over here just splash myself with dirt all over my face, but this one is giving me a really nice bronzing look like the sun is casting on my skin. So since I have some shininess that I want to target, using a translucent powder will suck all the oil from your skin so you don't look all shiny, and it's also going to help you stay matte and you have a nice finish. I really enjoyed this products because there's no sense. If you were using this products, make sure to be careful because oh man, it smells like grandma makeup. The products itself is really good. I just prefer if they don't have any scents because I mean it choked up my lungs. Blushes, I'm using Natasha Denona. This is Diamond and Glow. I really enjoy this blushes because it's different. It's have iridescence and glitter in there. For highlighters, I'm using the one in this palette. It's have a very similar texture and glow similar to Fenty Beauty highlighters. I want my lips to be more neutral today, so I'm just going to apply some lip gloss. This is from Fenty Beauty and I really enjoyed this product. It is so juicy and yummy because it smells so great. Lastly, I'm going to use this collagen mist as a setting spray and I'm going to lock everything in. This is going to help my skin feel hydrated and also anti-wrinkle. So if you want to try these two products, you can definitely log into yesstyle.com. Whenever you check out, don't forget to put my moment down here. It will give you additional 10% off. You can check out this two videos right here for more tips and tricks. And I usually go very in depth of one-on-one how to achieve certain look. I hope you enjoyed this video. And once again, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.